Kitchen. A couple of months ago I told you about Food Network's Delicious Miss Brown, Kardea Brown, and that she lives like her show is taped and where she lives is like 35 miles from me. Well, I'm doing another one of her videos, and I'm doing penne with sausage and greens. Now, what I do a lot of times whenever I look at people's recipes, I do try to make it my own. Now, with her, she did use Italian sausage, but I'm using just regular breakfast sausage, mild. You can use hot if you want to, or you can use Italian. So, what you're going to need is, I'm going to use a whole 16-ounce box of penne, because I'm making this into a meal. She made hers into like a portion, just like as a side dish. I'm making this into a meal. And the sausage, of course, I've got some onions, some garlic, salt and pepper. I need the zest of some lemon, some butter, and then collard greens. What I'm going to do with the collard greens is I'm going to go through these and take out like any thick stalks, and then I'm going to roll it up and I'm going to make ribbons out of it. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to get off here and I'm going to start my penne, and I'm going to brown up my sausage and drain it, and I'm going to do my collard greens, and we'll bring you back and bring it all together. See you shortly. Okay, my pasta is done. It's over here draining, and I cooked my sausage. Let me tell you, you can use, like I said, Italian sausage, or the hot breakfast sausage, or, like I said, just a regular sausage. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some onions to this. Yeah, I'm cheating. These are called cheater onions. Also, whenever I drained my pasta, I did reserve a little bit of pasta water. Let me show you what I did with the collard greens. I had a bunch, so we're having collard greens actually tomorrow too, but see, these are the ribbons of the collard greens. I'm going to go ahead and add some salt and pepper. So I'm going to let these onions cook down for a minute, then I'll bring you back for the rest of the story. Alright, I've got a little bit of minced garlic left, and you know I like my garlic, but I'm going to add the juice and everything to that. I'm also going to add 3 tablespoons of butter. And the greens. Whoops. Now we're going to let these wilt down, cook down. And once again, we'll bring you right back. Guys, we were sitting here and the power went out. Alright, my greens have wilted. What I'm going to do now is I am going to add the pasta. Whoops. Get everything stirred together. Now I'm going to add a little bit of pasta water to it. Trying to get everything turned. Alright, at this time, I'm going to add a little bit more. That's a little dry. Now I'm going to add the zest of a lemon, a little bit of zest of lemon to brighten things up a little bit. Some people add lemon juice. I watched this one chef that did it. He added lemon juice, but I think lemon zest is a little bit better. A little bit stronger. Make things a little bit brighter. Alright, I'm going to let this cook down a little bit more. And then I'll meet you over at the bar and we'll plate everything up. I'll be back shortly. Okay, I got everything done. I also picked some I did this video a year and a half, maybe 2 years ago. It's Copycat Sizzler grilled cheesy bread. So now one thing, if you watch me, you'll notice I always have Parmesan cheese. So we're going to sprinkle some Parm on here. Alright, our penne with sausage and greens is ready. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. And when you do, hit that bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Share this out on your social media, leave me a comment, and give me a big thumbs up. Y'all have a good one. Supper's ready. Bye.